Today I'm making a quick video showing you how to replace the front corner marker bulb on a Tiguan. This is the first generation of Tiguan. It's a 2016, so it's towards the end, but they all are kind of the same as far as this goes. Inside the wheel well, there's a T20 little torque screw here. You want to take that off. You can see there's a little flap. It's a little service flap that you can kind of flip up. Usually you can get away with just doing the lower one like this. If you need a little bit more room, you can cut the steering wheel all the way one way or another. I have it a little bit lifted on the hoist, but if you're just doing this on the ground, you can, if you're doing this one, you're gonna wanna cut it to the left. If you're doing the right-hand side one. But you can just flip it up like this and get your hand right in here and grab a hold of this socket right here and pull it straight out. So just pull it straight towards the center of the car, and here it is. So this is the bulb. You don't have to worry about really getting your oils on this bulb. It's not a very, with bulbs like this, it's not as important. It's not like a halogen bulb where the oil on your skin will make it prematurely fail. These ones, you can just stick them in, they're fine. I'll put the type of bulb in the description as far as what this is exactly. But yeah, basically all you do is just pull that straight out. You don't rotate anything. You push the bulb straight back into the holder. As you can see, check for corrosion. Many times these things are corroded. You can see actually on this one, the terminals are kind of bent. The one in this image, the lower one, is pushed off to the side and it wasn't making good contact. So this doesn't actually need a bulb. Assuming this is not your problem, I'm gonna go in there and just kind of bend that back straight. But you can just push the bulb straight back in there, like this, into its little home, and then shove it right back in. But yeah, so don't twist it, nothing like that, just push it in. Then you can flap this right back down and use your T20 and tighten the screw back up and you're good. So that's it. Thanks for watching.